I cleared my CSET July attempt 2025 in just 20 days. Hi everyone, this is Harshita, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how I cleared my exam in just 20 days. So first, starting off, what is CSET exam? So CSET stands for Company Secretary Executive Entrance Test, which is an entrance exam for CS profession. This exam is mandatory for people who have not completed their graduation yet. And if you have completed your graduation, then you can start with the second level, which is executive. So in this video, I'll not talk about executive profession and everything, how what is CS and everything. We'll keep that for another video. But for now, um, I'll talk about entrance exam. So I started somewhere around May 28, 29, but few days in June I went out to my nani's place, and then it was vacation, so I went out with friends and everything, and then I just had 20 days here and there. I studied my entrance exam from US Academy, which provides free lectures for entrance exam on YouTube. You can also go and study from there. They are really great teachers there, and the faculty is amazing. My learning experience was really good with the academy. They provided us with live videos, they provided us with notes. The batch started in mid-May and I was already late. I had like 15 days backlog, but I completed my backlogs first and then move on with revision part. Okay, so CSET में there are 4 parts, which are business communication, legal aptitude and logical reasoning is the second part. Third part is economic and business environment, and fourth part is current affairs aptitude. So I'll talk about each and every part individually. So business communication was really easy, but first let me just give you the marks, how the marks are divided. So the whole paper is for 200 marks and each part has 50 marks. So now like in the second part there are legal aptitude and logical reasoning together. There is no such ratio that legal aptitude will come for these many marks and logical reasoning will come for these many marks. Both combined will come for 50 marks. So part 1 comes for 50 marks, part 2 comes for 50 marks, and part 3 comes for 50 marks, and part 4 comes for 50 marks. So in every single part, 40% is the passing percentage. You have to get 40% in every part, and overall you need to score 100 marks out of 200 to pass the exam. So that was the breakdown of all the marks. Now coming to the subjects, first business communication. Business communication is a really easy subject. It is mostly English only. You have terminology, some business terminologies, email etiquettes and all of that, communication network, and then you have grammar too. Then coming to the second part, which is legal aptitude and logical reasoning. Legal aptitude was really interesting subject for me. I really enjoyed studying legal aptitude, and of course it was Chirag sir, so obviously he's taught very good and very easy manner. And then logical reasoning and legal aptitude both are somewhat related to math, and you have to practice these two subjects particularly and don't just keep these for the end. Then coming to the third part, which is economic and business environment. Economics was also easy for me because all the topics which are there in this I've already studied in my 12th board exam, so it was easy. Okay, now coming to the part 3, which is economics and business environment. Economics was also easy for me because I've already studied economics in my 12th board exams. So all the topics were kind of similar to 12th grade. We had demand and supply, which was similar, national income, which was similar, and other chapters were also pretty easy, so there was no such problem in studying economics. Coming to business environment, I took out printout of the notes that academy sent us, and so that's these. And then for business environment I made these notes by myself. So in one page I've written all the dates and abbreviations so this comes handy before the exam to revise. And I've made these notes, and ये notes mostly 10 pages में आ जाएंगे पूरे business environment के, because अगर note बने हुए रहिए तो last में you can just go through it and you are done with the subject. Then coming to current affairs was not easy for me in the paper. Nothing really came from the syllabus. Everything was current things which were going on. So please do read newspapers or download an app for current affairs. Mostly current affairs comes for previous 11 months. So keep that in mind. Then that's that. I maintained one book for all the subjects. This book has compartments in between, so each compartment for each subject. And to practice math, I maintain another book. Everything fit in this book, and the notes were pretty awesome. Everything was just great from the academy side. All the printouts taken out. These are current affairs printouts, and these are some economic printouts which I've taken out. So I used to highlight important things on the printout itself so that I don't have to study everything at the last moment. Everything was highlighted beforehand. So now talking about general things, CSAT exam is really easy. Just don't worry about it. If you study for 30 days, it is more than enough and you will clear the exam. I'll attach my results over here. I got 159 out of 200, and I'm pretty satisfied with the result. So don't worry about this exam. If you study with full focus and discipline, you will obviously clear it. So there is nothing much about this exam. So that was it for the video. If you have any doubt, any query, just comment down below. And this was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Harshita Kailot signing off.